Hey guys, I am back in Dollar Tree doing a $5 dinner challenge. I went to Dollar Tree, I spent $5. This is what I got. I got chicken broth to cook the rice in. I got this stir fry blend with the broccoli and these called snap peas or whatever. And then I got this, which it has barbecue on it. So I'm probably going to just pat that off and then just leave whatever's still on there. But I'm not shooting for like a barbecue-y flavor. I just wanted the pork and they didn't have, a huge selection. And then I got these spring rolls. I see these all over the place and everybody says they're really good. I'll cook those up too. Look, they're so little. This is already looking really good, so I have high hopes for this dish. I honestly didn't know what to expect of it because of just, the pork that I was using and whatever, but it's looking really good and I'm excited to try it. Okay, so I win the Duh Award for today, and also the camera wasn't going while we were doing this and we thought it was. So you missed the whole tragic event that unfolded before our eyes. Turns out that the piece of pork that I got has a big damn bone in it, and there's hardly any meat on it. I don't have as much pork for this dish as I thought I was going to. I don't know why I thought it was boneless. Duh. I win the Duh Award for today, and then I win again for not having the camera going. Also, my daughter. She was the cameraman. She's like, wait, gotta get my... I love that meme. There's this. Let me have the tongs. So there's not as much meat, but, we gotta roll with what we got. It still looks good. This smells so good. I've got this garlic salt that I bought last time. I'm going to use a little bit of that. I'm going to try not to use too much because I don't want to over salt, because the chicken broth will have salt in it too. But I'm going to use this whole chicken broth, and then I think it'll come out to like not quite 3 cups of rice. Those look really good. My daughter and I were joking about forgetting the spring rolls because that's what Bandit says from Bluey. Do any of you watch Bluey? It's so hilarious. So here's the completed dish. Everybody can have 2 spring rolls because I'm not giving any to the baby. I think this is really good. This is definitely a win. If I were to have a larger budget for this, I probably would have gotten another pack of spring rolls, and I probably would have gotten, I don't know, some sort of meat that didn't have a giant bone in it. But I think this was really good, and I would make this again.